Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use two accounts in or two GitHub accounts in VS Code. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now all you need to do is just to go to VS Code, and from here we will be needing to start signing to our multiple accounts. That means you can have multiple accounts in your VS Code. And to do so, open your VS Code, and then we will be needing to go to the accounts. So from here we will find our accounts. So let's just have some zoom in here, and let's just go to the account, and basically you will find the GitHub service or the GitHub extension. And as you can see, there is the sign out option in the manage trusted extension. We need just to click on manage trusted extension, and here we will find GitHub. Of course, you will need just to click on it, and we will need just to manage our account preferences for this extension, which is GitHub. And from here, you can use a new account. So you have the current account, and that means you can have multiple accounts. You will be needing just to log in. So you will need just to use a different account. You sign in, and basically it will be added as it is saying here in this Stack Overflow uh, flow here. And basically in this answer, as you can see, this guy has many GitHub accounts, and as you can see, it has this GitHub Copilot, Chat, etc. And you can have multiple accounts. So all you need to do, complete the sign in option, and your account will be added here. And basically, you will start seeing your accounts listed here, and from there, you will be able to start having source control, and you can, of course, using or you can start manipulating all repositories from it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.